In electric circuits, different electrical devices or appliances are connected in different ways. It is neither possible nor easy to draw the actual and complete diagram of all the devices or appliances that are used in a given circuit. The practice used by here to simplify this task is that we assign some specific symbols to devices or appliances that are used very often in an electric circuit. These symbols play a very important role in connecting all the details and information about a given circuit in a convenient and practical manner. This is one of our topic that we are going to discuss about that use of symbols in an electric circuit. The next topic we are going to discuss about is that it is better to be safe than sorry. Means some of the precautions that can be taken while working on electrical appliances. Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Ready to learn science with me? Let's go. First of all, we are going to discuss about the use of symbols in an electric circuit. Simply, we can understand it by putting forward an example before us. यदि हमारे घर में कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस आता, सपोज television set is there coming from the showroom to your home. After taking it out from the box, we will look after this appliance carefully, and some of the specific symbols made there on the device suggest us that here is need to connect the wire, here there is need to connect the antenna, or if a torch we are bringing home, where the cells should be put or keep. It is not easy to to draw the physical or practical shape of that thing which is required there to connect or put. That's why some special symbols are assigned to these devices or the parts of the electric circuits. And now we are going to discuss about which of the part of an electric circuit is having which type of practical shape and what is the symbol. These symbols are universal, dear student. Which symbol is given to that particular part of an electric circuit or device. And these symbols and practical shape of the part of the electric circuit and devices are shown at page number 178 so nicely. You can observe here. Number one, three rows are there. Number one, name of the device or part of the electric circuit. Second is the practical shape of that part, and lastly the symbol are there in the column. First one is the cell, electric cell. You can see the practical shape, and you are familiar to that. And what is the symbol? You can see here. This is the symbol of an electric cell shown on the top. What about the battery? As you know, battery is the combination of cell. So here the symbol of two cell battery is shown to you. One of the positive terminal, then the negative, then positive, and then negative. In this way, two cells are there in this battery. Next one is of connecting wire. Suppose in an electric circuit there is need to connect two wires. So simply one line is drawn there to show that you should connect the wire there. Next one is bulb or the lamp. And here you can see the practical shape. A bulb is shown to you, but in the symbols column, first symbol is of lamp, And next is of bulb, because filament वाला जो सिंबल है दैट इज ऑफ bulb, electric bulb. And the last symbol shown here is of an electric switch. You are familiar with the practical shape, but now we are going to see the two symbols of switch, electric switch. First one is of off position, where the circuit is opened one, and next one is of on position, where the switch is in on position, the closed circuit is there. So you can also realize how the making and breaking of this circuit put your device on and off. This is all about the symbols of electrical devices or part of the electric circuit. More of the symbols will be known to you in the higher classes. Now we are going to take our next topic, that is electricity is a good servant but a bad master. And that's why it is said that it is better to be safe than sorry in case of electricity. करंट लग गया और कुछ डैमेज हो गया तो सॉरी कहने से काम नहीं चलेगा, बेटर है कि पहले ही कुछ प्रिकॉशंस ले लें. एंड व्हाट इज़ द टेक्स्ट गिवन हियर? इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली इम्पोर्टेंट देयरफॉर टू फॉलो all the suggested and advised precautions while using electricity and electrical appliances and devices. Some general precautions that should always be followed are given below. Number 1, never touch electrical connections or devices with wet or bare hands. Why? Because ordinary water, the water coming in our houses, is the good conductor of electricity. And if electricity were to flow through a person's body, it could lead to serious injuries or even death. So that's why before touching an electrical device or appliance, we must wipe off our hands. Second is never try to fiddle with or open an electrical appliance or device when it is connected to the main. यदि हमारा डिवाइस मेन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से टच है, मेन स्विच से, तो हम कभी भी उसे खोलें ना, उसके साथ ना उसे खोलें ना उसे खेलने की कोशिश करें. If your appliance is having some fault, take out the plug from the switch and then you can operate it. Third one, always respect the warning sign. Do not go near any setup where the word danger is written. आपने देखा होगा कई जगह स्कल जैसा कुछ बना होता है एंड दैट इज़ एक्चुअली द सिंबल ऑफ डेंजर. तो डेंजर वाले सिंबल के पास हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, उस साइन को हमें रेस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. Fourth one, always consult the manufacturer or your electrician if you have any doubt about the method or way of using some electrical appliances or devices. यदि घर में कोई नया अप्लाइंस या डिवाइस आया है, पहली बात आप मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को बुलाएं शोरूम से उसे आपके घर में प्लांट करने के लिए, or you can ask your electrician to come and you can understand the working, the way of using that appliance. And the last one given here is we must always wear a rubber or a plastic gloves or रबर सोल्ड शू वियर. हमारे हाथ में प्लास्टिक के दस्ताने या रबर के दस्ताने होने चाहिए एंड पैरों में रबर के फुटवियर होने चाहिए. वाई? कैन यू गिव मी द रीज़न? बिकॉज रबर एंड प्लास्टिक बोथ आर इंसुलेटर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. यदि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट आ भी गया तो वो अर्थ तक कंडक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा और इस तरह से हम इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक से बच जाएंगे. सो द सिंपल प्रैक्टिस ऑफ वियरिंग रबर ग्लव्स एंड रबर सैंडल्स वाइल हैंडलिंग और रिपेयरिंग electrical appliances or devices or connection can save us from possible electric shocks or electricity related accident. This is all about chapter number 11, electric currents and circuits, dear students. Hope you have got all that what you were expecting there. And now, always remember that prevention is better than cure. So, be the master of electricity, but use it judiciously. This is bye bye for today. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.